So part one is about getting the headlamp reflector into a component part separate from the glass and this plastic sort of bezel that goes on it. So I had on my headlamp types, the sealant that goes round the edge here was like this hard filler, so really difficult. I had to grind the edge of it along the edge of the lip here and use a heat gun. So I used a Dremel to get in behind it, and then a heat gun, and then bit by bit pick off as much of the sort of adhesive as you can. Just get rid of as much of it as you can, and then generally start gradually prying it apart. Eventually, you'll get it started, and you can work your way around, and you can get it out. But it did need quite a bit of heat. But I've got to say that the headlamp bezel that's here, made by CM's, excellent quality. It's not brittle. It's not warped, so it can take a bit of heat, and it's a really good quality in terms of the plastic that you've used. Really durable. The headlamp reflector itself is not really rusted very much. It's just the inside finish is gone, so that's actually pretty good as well. So yeah, once it comes back from being coated and it goes all back together, these will be good as new.